Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about the Boolean data types in Java. This is one of the simplest yet most powerful concept in programming because it controls true or false conditions. In Java, a Boolean is a primitive data type. It can hold only two values, true or false. Think of it as a flag or a switch. It's either on or off. It doesn't store number of characters, just a simple condition. The purpose of Boolean is to control program flow. We use it in if statements, while loops and logical checks. It makes program more readable and logical. For example, instead of writing if x equal to 1, we can just say if is light on. Much clearer it is. To make it simple, think of a boolean as a light switch. When the switch is on, it's true. When the switch is off, it's false. It directly controls whether the light glows or not. Just like that, in programming, booleans controls whether code runs or not. Here we declare a boolean variable is light on. First it's set to a false, meaning the light is off. Later we change it to true, meaning the light is on. Finally we use an if-else condition to print whether the room is bright or dark. And here is the output. At a first it prints false, then it prints true. Finally, since the light is on, it says the room is bright. So the boolean perfectly represents true or false states and helps us make decisions. So to summarize, boolean is a data type with only two values, true or false. It is widely used in conditions and loops. You can think of it as a switch that controls programming logic. Thank you.